In industrial automation, downtime is the enemy. Every minute a machine is silent, money is lost. But to fix a machine, you first have to understand its language. Do you truly know what you are looking at? Introducing Industrial Electrical Print Reading, a course designed to bridge the gap between the schematic and the shop floor. This isn't just theory. Our immersive virtual labs put you inside real-world scenarios to troubleshoot device failures and navigate complex drawing packages. Master communication network layouts, detailed sequences of operation, and even specialized pneumatic lines. Identify symbols at a glance, from ANSI and IEC standards to complex 12-pin connector pinouts. Stop guessing. Start tracing. Master the print and master the machine. Enroll today.